Salicylic acid is one of the most popular skincare ingredients for acne-prone and oily skin. But do you know if it's right for you? You have acne, blackheads, whiteheads, or oily skin. Salicylic acid can help unclog pores and reduce breakouts. Use it at night 2 to 3 times a week if you're a beginner. Always start slow to avoid dryness or irritation. Sensitive, extremely dry, or eczema-prone skin types should be cautious. It may worsen irritation. During pregnancy, avoid high-strength salicylic acid. Low-concentration face washes or toners may be safe, but always check with your doctor first. Yes, salicylic acid is clinically proven to treat mild to moderate acne, control oil, and prevent clogged pores. Use wisely, protect with sunscreen, and let salicylic acid help you achieve clear, healthy skin.